Now, the success of heat is testing the limits of the power grid. And just moments ago, we learned Con Ed has broken a record for power usage. And that comes as crews continue to chase outages all across the area. News 4's Drew Wilder live for us in Whitestone, Queens now, where some folks are now trying to deal without power.
Yeah, Adam, so Con Ed crews are on the scene right now working a transformer that blew at about 2 o'clock this afternoon. It knocked power out in this neighborhood to about 2,000 people. But tonight, we want to take you inside Con Ed to explain why today might be the biggest test on the power grid yet. Dangling from above, the latest break in the power during the weekend heat wave. This is a look at how Con Edison is handling all of these power outages.
This dial here and the numbers next to it are what the Manhattan load is, Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx, Westchester, and Staten Island.
Key Ross says the evening is when the power grid is pushed the hardest. When the excessively hot days start piling up, the stress on the system is exponential.
By the third day, the systems are really running. That's sometimes when you might see an outage, and so we're really paying attention to the system on the third or fourth day of a heat wave.
In some parts of the city, no AC, no problem. This family in East Harlem is soaking in the summer. There's no exaggerating this heat, though. Con Ed says those relying on electricity tonight and heading back to work tomorrow will likely push the system the hardest it's run all weekend. All right, so here's what Con Ed wants all of us to do. Experts there say don't make your house as cold as you could possibly stand it. Actually, get it right below the warmest that you can stand it, and that'll use a little bit less energy. And if we can do that all across the city, it'll be the best case scenario for the power grid moving through the rest of this heat wave. Reporting live in Whitestone tonight, Drew Wilder, News 4 New York.